guys, what's up? Welcome to Conversation Art Piece. My name is Alana. In today's video, we're going to discuss a little topic I like to call, what do artists do with the artwork that they start and don't finish? You know, you see them painting something and then you never get to see the end results of it. What happened? As an artist, you have piles or drawers or bags or a pile of painting that we have in the corner, and we're like, we started it with the good intentions. This painting right here was not the original. This was something entirely, completely different. And I sanded, I scrubbed it down, and then I put some gesso on it. And this is what we are working with right now. And she got about 5% more to go and she done. So the vision probably just was like, yeah, and then it went poof, done, over with. Sometimes we create things like this and we don't even know why. Even the painting is upset. Look at him. He's like, why am I here? What's my purpose? Oh no. Now, this guy, we can do something with him. He ain't stuck. There is potential. I got something to show you. Come. Follow me down here. All right, this guy right down here, this is my junk trunk. Things that I've started, but didn't finish.
You created something in the past and you really don't like it anymore and it's been sitting around for years, but you want to use it. It's easy to get rid of the paint that you previously put on there. The only thing that you will need, a bowl with soap and water. Soap and water can get rid of acrylic paint really easy. Dunk it in there, spin it around, and let it soak in there. It's sanded. Keep sanding it, sanding. Dunk it again. Sand again. You can sand it all away and it'll end up looking like this. All you need to do now is let it dry, or take a cloth, dry it off. You can put it in the sun and let it chill for a little bit, and then put some gesso on this and you could start painting on it and create your new artwork.